Hi friends, and welcome to this video. Friends, I will show you in this quick video how to fix Doordash your account is not eligible for this promotion. So the first step you need to do, friends, read all the promotional term and condition from the Doordash. You should read this general term and conditions for the promotional codes and conditions for delivery terms and this user promotions and discounts and credit conditions. This is the first step, friends. And the second step, guys, sometimes prom are not for users eligible. So if you have a new account, you should be wait a few days, guys, to get promotions and condition, and then you make some order to get authority on your account. This is the first step. The second step, guys, you need to do, you should be write all the details on your account, and some account not verification, for example, your phone number. You should be verify your phone numbers and write your right informations, your phone number and your countries, and you should be set up your profiles, and this is all information you make sure to on your account. And this is the second step. And the last step, guys, all you have to do, guys, is you should be updated your app. If you download the app on App Store or Play Store, you should be updated the app. And this is how you can do, guys. You should be updated the app, as I say. And this is as I have. Thanks, guys, for watching this video.